Please, Mr. Francis, do not do what you're planning to do. If you leave, do you have any money on you?
I can take care of myself. If I don't see my father, if I don't see my real father, I'll go back to the States and never to come back. And I'll make sure my mother does not set her eyes on me again.
But the king will not be happy with you. He will blame you for not coming to tell him before leaving. And besides, what about me?
What's that?
I think it's
Dim the light now. Who's that?
It's Prince Daisy.
Aha! Romantic scene. No, romantic scenario. Nabonye. Eh? In whose compound? Benham, my father's compound. Nice breeze. You guys are enjoying it. And then the moon he's been waiting and then he left you guys. Well, it's okay. It's okay. One more be. Okay, well, one more be more. Let's see Obi Okoli na go be. This year Obi less. If not, I would have thrown you out of this compound. Both of you. Evacuate you. Uproot you. I'm not that heartless. Just a reminder. When I'm bobbing on the alcohol, I'm well money or you be alcohol, my bro. And if I'm not way, I just wanted you guys to know. Let me remind you. And you. Looks like there's no woman where you're coming from. Because since you came back, you've been wagging your tail. This will even need you. Theirs is like a jungle. I am meaner than mean and badder than bad. If I shout, men go come out. That's what me way. Eh? And you zoom all my men and you go. And I piag you, I'm all let me de kubo. Barabara. But I gotta get clear your eye.
Diego went by. I said, no Diego went by. Prince of the land. Really good. Really good. I got one on the road, fella. I said, no, this is to run a kilo, bro. A million on a kilo. What? Wifey. Boromir. God, are you going to deny me of what belongs to me? This is my right.
Please, I am not in the mood. Please.
You're not in the mood. You don't have the mood. I don't care if you're in the mood or not. You don't have mood.
Please,
You don't have mood.
please, oh please, please, please,
Good morning.
Where are you going? Did I not talk to someone? Where are you going?
Her Majesty said that I must be in the kitchen and preparing the meal. The cook traveled.
Come to bed. I want to feel you.
Daisy, please. At least let me heal from the sore of last night. What?
Are you mad? Saw last night? Are you saying I have machete between my legs? Huh? Come here. Come. I said come.
Why is the food not yet ready? Where is this girl? Azoka! Where is this girl?
As we eat, may we get the desired nourishment to remain strong and healthy. Bless the hands that cook the food in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
And there's a wife. Is your wife not here?
She should be in the kitchen, of course.
She should be here with us on this table.
I'm sorry, Your Highness. Oh my God. This food is too salty. Oh God.
Because what do we have for lunch? Salt?
Your Highness, I don't understand. Azoka is the one that cooked this food. Azoka, what did you cook for us? Salt? Your Majesty, I can't explain what happened. Because I hardly cook with salt. In my family, we don't cook with salt. Will you shut up? Shut your trap! Are you listening to yourself?
Beatrice, are you listening to yourself? How can you ask someone who just came into this house a few days ago to go into that kitchen and cook for me? Where is my cook?
Your cook told me that the mother is sick. So he took permission to go and visit her.
So, Why didn't you go into that kitchen and cook the food yourself?
Your Highness, at this my level, when we have a wife in our midst, no, Azoka, I thought your parents said you are impeccable and that they brought you up very well. So what about the kitchen aspect? Eh? Just look at it. I can see that you and your parents are very stupid. Idiots! Make-up boobs! Simple cook, you cannot cook. It's okay, girl. Yeah. And what are you still waiting for? Eh? What are you still waiting for? Will you come and clear this rubbish? Take all these things away. You don't know how to cook. Simple cooking. The only thing you know how to do is just to open your legs wide for men. Eh?
It's okay, Beatrice. It's okay, calm down.
Oh, no. Please don't tell me it's okay. This girl doesn't know how to do anything. Simple cooking. She cannot. The only thing she knows how to do is to open her legs by kumkum level for men.
It's alright. Let's do something. I think we have to do something so that the house can eat. I think I should get into the kitchen and prepare something. It's okay. Don't worry. Let me do something.
No problem. I'll join you later. Where is this stupid girl? Will you come and clear these things? Nonsense.
Hello? Why all this crying? Listen, you're not the first woman that doesn't know how to cook. So stop crying.
No, ma. I can't cook. I can't cook very well. I cook for my family.
Alright. It's okay. Then let's say that some of us that cook very well sometimes make mistakes. And when we do, all we have to do is apologize. Then make sure it doesn't happen again.
No, ma. I did not make the mistake. I cannot make mistake. I cannot make that kind of mistake. My family, we do not eat salt because of my father's condition, no matter how little it is. I know somebody tried to sabotage my efforts. I know he's always trying to disgrace me. I'm leaving this palace. I'm tired already. I'm going.
Calm down.
Why is the food not yet ready? Where is this girl? Azoka! Where is this girl?
Did you see my smoke around? I mean, did you by any chance stumble on it? What do you mean no now? I left my smoke somewhere here. I kept it here. Now I have ransacked everywhere. It's not nowhere to be found. No one is free. I just want. Did you see my smoke at all?
I don't understand what you're talking about.
My smoke. Yeah? Is everything that they will spell?
Okay. I think I sweat because I sweat the room.
Oh, you swept the room?
Yes, it was unkept, so I tidied it.
It was unkept. You kept it, tidied it.
Yes.
Shut up! Talking or talking. Shut up. Shut up. Where's my smoke? Where's my smoke? Where's my smoke? Right? Are you mad? Are you mad? Eh? Are you mad? Are you mad? You're mad. You're mad, Abby. Okay. You're prepared. Oh. My smoke. My smoke.
What's going with you? Where is today's?
Your Highness, I don't know where he has gone to. I thought he was with us.
Your Highness, I saw him drive off when we came upstairs to pick her.
In that case, Uju, you go with them.
Please hurry.
Hurry up. And drive carefully. Your Highness, I have been calling Uju and Breza, but none of their lines is going. I hope Azuka's situation has not worsened. I'm afraid. Oh, Rezo, I've been calling your line. What is the problem?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. My phone was off. Your Highness, she is stabilized now. But unfortunately, Your Highness, she lost the pregnancy.
Oh.
Is she alright?
She's alright, Your Highness. But the doctor said he wants to watch her this night and discharge her tomorrow. But thank God, Uju volunteered to stay with her.
Oh, good of her. Good of her. Thank you.
That is very nice. At least this news is relieving.
Don't be too quick to celebrate yet. The time will come when she comes back from the hospital unscratched. But if I find any scratch on her body, I swear by the gods, I will disown him and I will hand him over to the police. And I will make sure he rots in jail for a very, very long time.
Your Highness, why are you always talking about disowning our own son? You want to lock him up and allow him rot in jail. If you do that, who will succeed you?
Let me worry about that. But rest assured that my throne will never be left vacant. Someone must succeed me. Udeze's name or anyone's name was not engraved on that throne. Say it again. Someone will succeed me.
Her Majesty. Yeah, how are you? Azuka, please sit. Sit down. How are you? I hope there are no injuries.
You have to do that. Sit. How are you feeling?
I'm much better.
I'm glad to hear that. And I am really sorry about the loss of your child.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I really appreciate your kind words. Perhaps you would like to lie down and rest. Or do you want to eat something? I'm alright. Your Majesty. Please. With your permission, I would like to go back to my father's house now.
You're permitted. You can go.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Why would you like to go? Stay with us. Okay? Your Majesty, please can I say something?
Go ahead.
Thank you. You're a good man. And I know that my father respects his friendship with you. At the same time, you respect your friendship with my father. So I am promising you that I won't say anything to him to affect your friendship with him.
Get on. You are a very intelligent young woman. Unfortunately, my son and his mother could not see them. As you go, take care of yourself. I will discuss with your father on phone. Go away.
Okay, just
go away. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.
Your Highness, please, I need your attention.
What is the problem?
There is a problem. It's Francis.
Francis, what happened?
Your Highness, you need to come with me, please. Come.
Godfather, sir. You're going somewhere?
Yes, sir.
We didn't discuss it.
I had it in mind, sir.
So, where are you headed?
Godfather, I am going away. Since my mother has refused to tell me who my real father is. I have had enough taunting from Daisy on this regard, sir.
Son, you don't have to search further. Look at me. Standing before you is your biological father. You are my son. Yes. You are my son.
So was that why you refused to disclose it to anyone?
Yes. If I had told people, your father's marriage would have been destroyed. Because his people were already asking him to get another wife. But he refused. And it will also destroy my relationship with Beatrice.
Absurd. Absurd. So, what do you think, your friend? I mean, Lolo, on hearing this, how do you think she's going to feel? I think it is time for you guys to come out clean with her.
Doris! Doris, where are you? Doris!
Beatrice,
Doris,
matter?
tell me it is not true.
What are you talking about? Or what is not true?
Stop pretending. Just a while ago. Your Highness, please. I need your attention.
What is the problem?
There's a problem. It's Francis.
Francis, what happened?
Your Highness, you need to come. You need to come. Please, Your Highness, please come.
Going somewhere?
Yes, sir.
We didn't discuss it.
I had it in mind, sir.
So, where are you headed?
Godfather, I'm going away. Since my mother has refused to tell me who my real father is. I have had enough taunting from Daisy on this regard, sir.
Son, you don't have to search further. Look at me. Standing before you is your biological father. You are my son. Yes. Yes. You are my son.
God.
Have you not remembered? Tell me it is not true.
Yes, it is true, Beatrice.
Doris, how could you? How could you betray me? And you call yourself my friend and a sister? You liar! You deceiver! You...
Hey! Hold it right there. You and I, who is the liar? Who is the deceiver? I met Francis first. I introduced you to him. Then I had to go on a teaching assignment to anyone in the village. Only to come back and find out that you have taken him over.
Hello? Who is at home?
Hello? Please come in.
Exactly.
Please come in.
Francis.
Alice, you're welcome. Sit.
Sit. Francis, why the cold welcome? Are you not happy to see me after almost a year?
Of course I am.
It feels good to be back.
Yes.
Oh. Wow! What do we have here? Doris! Beatrice, you're welcome. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too. I didn't expect to see you here. Oh. Francis and I are now an item. We are now married.
Married?
Yes. Francis.
Is that true?
Yes.
Yes.
It's true.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
But Francis, you didn't tell me.
Well, it was hurriedly done. My parents mounted a lot of pressure.
Your parents mounted pressure on you to get married, or to get married to Beatrice particularly. It's alright. It's still my friend that you got married to.
Exactly.
Are you happy, Precious?
Oh yes, I am very, very happy.
Francis, what about you?
I am happy.
We are happy.
Okay, then I'm happy too. I have to take my leave.
No.
I'll see you guys later.
No. Please sit. You have to eat before going. I have something on the fire. No, just sit down. I'm already cooking something, so just sit down. Let me get it for you, okay? Sit. Let me check if it is done.
Just calm down. I will explain.
Francis, so all those promises are all lies. By the way, do you have to marry my best friend?
Please, I am sorry. Calm down, babe. I'm sorry. Forgive me, please.
Francis, what happens to me? Do you know how many men I rejected because of you?
Oh, Doris, look. I can't just explain what happened. No need give excuses. Now, I just want you to know that I still love you like before. And I can marry you if you accept. See, I promise you, I will never leave you. Not for anything. We'll always be together. Because I appreciate the maturity you just displayed. Okay? I will never leave you. Come on. Come. I will never leave you. Okay?
But we moved on.
Oh yes. You got married to him. And I had to continue seeing him till now. And that was why he took care of Francis and I. That was why he sent me abroad. And that is still why he asked us to come home. Don't you dare try that again.
Doris, I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Just back out of this palace. I don't want to see you anymore. Go back to that hotel or wherever you come from.
It's like you stepped on a tiger's tail.
Oh, let her bring it on. I'm not backing down this time around.
Your Highness, what is the meaning of what you told Francis a few minutes ago? I heard.
Oh, you heard? I see. If what you heard concerns Francis being my son, you heard well. That is what it is.
I don't understand. How did it happen? When did this happen right under my nose?
Sit, let's talk.
No, I will not sit. I will stand. I'm listening.
Okay. Doris, why didn't you come inside?
Because what I have to say to you is just for your ears only.
Really? What might that be?
I'm pregnant. And you are responsible.
Are you sure?
What kind of question is that? Am I sure if I'm pregnant or am I sure that you're responsible? Which one?
Sure that you are pregnant?
Of course I'm sure. I'm just coming back from the hospital.
Look, it's good. I am happy. Very happy.
You are happy?
Yes, I am.
Why? What about your wife?
Huh?
She will be hurt. Hey, I'm not even talking about what my father's reaction will be.
Look, I don't care. My parents, they've been on my neck. The pressure to get another wife is too much for me.
Francis, look, I understand your situation, but I am not marrying you because I don't want to hurt my friend. And I don't want to lose her friendship because we've come a long way.
Okay, I understand.
Hey.
You know what? Doris, you keep the pregnancy and we'll keep the whole thing secret. Yes, come on, I'm happy. See, I will take care of you and the baby. Oh, come on, do this for me. Go. Do this for me. See, this is how it is. My mother knew that Doris was pregnant for me, so she wanted you out of the house, so that Doris would be married into the house. So that is how it is. My mother knew that Doris was pregnant for me, so she wanted you out of the house, so that Doris would be married into the house. But Doris and I didn't want to hurt you, so we allowed things to be the way they were.
For 28 years, you have kept this a secret. You have kept this secret away from me. Francis, you are wicked and evil.
Mind the way you talk to me, woman. Oh, you felt offended, right? You didn't consider your friend's feelings when you threw yourself at me and got me married to you. Didn't you betray your friend's trust? And yet, she forgave you. Be careful the way you open that your mouth, or else I'll place a curse on you.
I want them out of this palace.
You know
immediately.
that cannot happen unless I say so. And I have witnesses.
I am losing control of things around me. My home, my son, and my royalty. I thought I outsmarted Doris many years ago, but I didn't know she was smarter. The way things are now, Udeze will no longer be the successor to the throne, and I will not be the king's mother. No, I must do something. I can't just let go like that. No.
Please.
Your Highness. Welcome, Your Highness.
Thank you.
What do I owe this schedule?
Oh, I was passing by, so I said, let me come and see how my daughter Azuka is doing. I miss her a lot. How's she doing?
Well, she's okay. As you can see, she's gone to work. Same with her mother.
Oh, such a nice girl. I really miss her a lot. Oh, it's okay. We'll be going then. Right.
All right.
Ah, wonderful. What's this? There is something happening in the past which I needed to know to it.
And what can I do?
That lady Doris has charmed my husband into believing that Francis is his son. Can you imagine that?
And what did he just say?
He accepted! Can you imagine? No, it's not possible. No. You have to resist it. You don't have to allow this. No. In fact, you have to dissuade my husband from accepting him as his son.
Well, Your Highness, you know very well. That is only a woman that can tell the paternity of his child. If Jigbe has accepted that he is his father, I have no business in it. I have no business.
No. I know that our relationship has not been cordial. But this is serious. You really have to resist it. You must resist it, no.
Your Highness, I'm sorry. I have to
It's okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Same to you.
Why are you so confident? Who did this to you? Even if they said you are a fool, must you behave like a fool? Must you?
Mom, see, I am trying to be perfect. I'm trying to sort myself out so I can be perfect as you want to by the time I'm done.
Will you cut that rubbish? You imbecile! Cut that crap! You think you can fool me? Oh, okay, you don't know I pretended just to convince your father. Now listen, Udeze. Wherever you are, continue fooling yourself. For your information, your father is about to give your inheritance to someone else. And by the time you come back to this house, you will notice that you are nothing but a stranger in your father's house.
Mom. Hello? Hello?
Rubbish.
Listen, son. Your father wants you to succeed him instead of that about son of Petrus. That is why he asked me to bring you back to Nigeria. Everything was planned, even to the point of us moving into the palace. He wants you to be around, so ensure that you are close to him.
But Mom, all these are not going down well with Auntie Beatrice. Something tells me she's not going to take this lightly. Yes, come in. Relax, just. Yeah, you said you wanted to see me.
Yes, I came to warn you.
Warn? Warn me about what?
I went with Her Highness to see Nomu Callistus. She went to protest to him about His Highness' acceptance of you as his son. She even persuaded him to dissuade him from his decision. But you know, Otonowu disagreed with her. He said he would not interfere. She was very furious. She was very, very angry. She started making calls, calling different people. She even called the prince, asked him to come back immediately. And Auntie Doris, please, you have to be very, very careful. You know that the queen can be very dangerous, let alone when she's angry. Please, you have to be very careful. That's why I said I should come and warn you. I beg to take my leave.
It's all right. Okay. It's okay, Ichie Maduka. But it is not our tradition. Why are you people keeping quiet? Okay. Can you come and talk to him? All right, I'll be waiting. All right.
What is it?
What is going on here? Is this place on fire? Oh. Udeze, what is that you're having in your hand?
This one is secret.
Indian hemp?
It's not Indian hemp. This one is secret. Indian hemp.
So this is what you have been smoking that is making you to be rascal? Eh?
Your mom, I want to know who wants to take my inheritance, now or now.
Who else? If not Doris and her son, Francis. Doris has charmed your father into believing that Francis is his child. And by the acceptance of that paternity, Francis is now the rightful heir to his throne.
Hey, who does that? German story told to a German shepherd. Is it possible? Or when I come here, I will burn down everything around this palace. So no matter me, see, there's a Django, and as a Django, I am meaner than green and better than bad. My Aguadi Yago.
No never about Django.
Aguadi Yago. Oh, Mukatana saw. Mukatana Yago.
No never can I rubbish. And who is there?
Who that? So maybe far. Who's that?
Who invited you here? Get out. Get out!
Mom, I go to narrow. I need to eat.
Now call about your inheritance and ask him to go digging. I really what?
So me in the for care.
Francis, I am talking to you. I am talking to you. Don't walk out on a prince of the land. I am talking to you, my friend. What's the problem?
What is it?
You're asking me what is it?
What is it? I am asking you, what is it? So you have the guts to follow me out here. What is it?
You're raising your voice on a crown prince of this land. Okay. Don't try that. Let's try that, friend. Desert, you just touch me.
You don't touch a crown prince? Who are you, Desert? Who are you?
Jesus! Francis, you crawled out from God knows where to come and be dragging priesthood in this kingdom. Francis, you are a bastard. You are not blue blood, and your mother is a harlot.
You're first. Come on, harlot.
You're first. You're a madman.
What is happening here? I ask again what is happening.
You joke.
How dare you people turn my palace to a battlefield? I ask again, what is the matter?
Francis. Oh! So you now call him Francis?
Will you shut up your mouth? Is my name not Francis? Go ahead.
Uju came and told me that Udeza was fighting Francis. And I came and saw them fighting. Then as I was trying to separate them, Lolo here came to fight me too.
Francis, why were you fighting Udeze?
Father, I was on the dining table eating when Udeze came and started taunting me and called me a bastard and said I was born by a whore. I left him and I walked out. Udeze followed me and called my mother a whore.
It's a lie.
Will you shut up your mouth? By the way, where did you creep out from? Anyway, that would be a matter for another day. Go ahead.
Father, Uju was there.
She was there when everything happened. Let me know you can see that lie. Ask her. Speak, Uju.
Your Highness, Mr. Francis was eating the food I served him when Prince Udeze came in and started harassing him. He told him that he can never be royalty, that he's a bastard, bomber and harlot.
What? Oh, you called him a bastard and his mother a harlot?
Is that what they are?
Will you shut up your mouth? Oh, I will show you that he is not a bastard and the mother not a harlot. By this time next week, I am getting married to Doris. And before the entire community, I will proclaim him my son, a royal blood. And if any of you dare fight any of them, I will banish that person from this kingdom. I have spoken.
Your Highness! Your Highness! You can't do this to me now. Eh? Mr. Francis, why are you bothered? At least you should be happy by now. Your mind should be settled. You now know who your father is.
There are some things that are not adding up. Yes, I am supposed to be happy. But I am bothered.
Bothered?
Yes.
You don't have to be bothered.
I truly don't understand. Everything is so complicated. I truly don't know what to believe anymore. Don't you get it? Mom! Mom, are you okay?
I am checking where my aeroplane will land. There are so many aeroplanes coming here to come and carry me, to take me away. But this place is very small. Son, do I look good? Am I beautiful?
Mom, are you okay?
I need to look nice for my husband, Francis Modebe. Aeroplane will come and take us away.
This is not good at all. This is madness. You have to call your father.
No, it's not. Mom, are you okay?
I need to go and buy my tickets.
Huh?
I don't want to miss my flight. I need to go and buy my ticket now.
Please,
wait. Let me
Go,
buy my ticket.
Let
me go and buy my ticket. I want to buy ticket. Wait, I'm coming. Wait. My flight will leave me.
It won't.
It will leave me.
No, it won't.
I'm coming. Let me buy my ticket.
Come first.
Let me go and buy my ticket now. My husband will leave me. I want to take my husband away.
I'll slap you if you don't calm down.
This flight. Oh, it's coming. Oh, my flight is coming. Oh, my flight is coming.
Mom?
Oh,
Mom.
I don't want to miss my flight.
Yes, come in. Come in.
Your Highness, good morning. Sorry, Highness. Don't be offended, Your Highness. I don't know what's happening to Lady Doris. You have to come with me.
Doris?
Yes, she's behaving abnormally. I don't know, she's just talking, seeing an aeroplane, they are landing and all that in your palace.
Abnormal? How?
I don't know.
How is that possible? Where is she?
She's outside.
Udeze, it has happened. Omeleme, life in whatever now. Eh?
Mom, what has happened?
Hey, Udeze. Omeleme, life. Omeleme, life. Hey. Those people that want to get married to my husband have finally gone mad.
Mom.
Yeah?
They have gone mad.
Completely mad. You need to go downstairs and see where they are holding her, trying to make sure that she doesn't run to the market naked. Madness!
So what this man did worked, yeah?
It worked! Hey!
How about the react?
At all!
Jesus. So what next?
Let's just wait and see how your father will get married to a mad woman. See, we will wait and watch. Then we'll decide on our next move.
So this man.
At all. Anyone who dares me does so at his or her own peril. Yes! Nobody treads where angels fear to tread. No matter how sick a lion is, a dog can never be greater than it. I, Lolo, Beatrice Mwandebe, have come a very long way. And no one dare pushes me around. Oh! At all.
Your Highness, before last night, was she showing any sign of pressure at all?
None whatsoever. In fact, I had a discussion with her before I went to bed.
Well, Your Highness, there are two options for you to take. One is to take her to psychiatry, or to follow it in a traditional means.
Doctor, I will consult, then take a decision.
Well, in that case, I'll give her a shot to make her sleep, to avoid this violent conduct. But that's just a temporary measure to give you time to decide. Yes, Dr. Boy.
Where is my flight? Where is my flight? Has he landed? Where is my flight? I have to travel. I'll travel. Where is my flight? Where is my flight? My flight! My flight! My flight. Where is my... Where is my flight?
Sure. No, everything is normal.
Thank you, doctor. Once I take a decision, I'll call you.
I've been waiting for your call.
I'll do it.
I truly don't know what is wrong. But I'll show you everything is going to be fine. I'll do everything to make sure you're well again. I promise you. I love you so much.
Now the food is ready. Do you want me to serve you inside or want to eat it here?
Anywhere you want.
Okay. Let me serve it inside.
Nah, I can't stop thinking of Doris's madness. He can marry Silacho and Nola. Bahala. Eh? How can someone just go mad just like that?
Well, Mercy, it's overwhelming and mind-blowing. What do you? Go.
Nai, you told me that the Igwe hinted you of his plan to marry Doris.
Oh, yes, he did. He did.
And if he marries Doris, her son becomes the successor.
If Digwe marries her, he becomes a legitimate child. Woman and Ibon.
Wait. If that is the case, that means Beatrice has some questions to answer.
Mercy. Huh? Question. Well, yes. But judgment should be left for the gods. He who plants evil will definitely reap evil.
How do I go? How do you go? Beatrice, Udes, Doris, Francis. Hey, yeah? Watch out, call. Nai, wait.
Mr. Francis, your food is ready. Please come and eat. Just see the way you are seated here. This place is not for you. Here it's for servants like us. Eh? See, you can't keep starving yourself. You have to eat so you have strength for your mother. Eh?
How do you expect me to eat, Uju? How do you expect me to eat when I don't understand anymore? Look at my mother. My beautiful mother lying down there incoherent.
Mr. Francis, I understand your pain. But first and foremost, you have to eat to have strength for your mother. You can't start behaving like this in the having yourself to death. Your mother will not be happy. Please, you have to eat. Then we can start taking of
What is going on here? Huh? But are you always a snake? Okay, Nife. Francis. I want if you know Adoru. I see a lot of emotional exhibitions, you know. It's okay. It's okay. It's not your fault. I feel your pain, brother. Your mother went mad. Your mother is raving mad. You know, if I wear your shoes, I will behave the way you behave. But I hear people say it is actually a repercussive mechanism employed by the gods to punish whoever that is trying to take what does not belong to them. What do you... My friend, stand here. Mafia, wanted to sneak away? No. Stand here. So that you hear what I will say to this man that you've been running after since he came. Ike. Utwa. Beyonce. Since he came back. You cannot start a place. Listen. Nah. How could you and your mother ever imagine that you could come into a place you did not know anything about, you don't know how it started, and you want to come and claim what is there? You want to dance Sugede? Eh? They did not tell you that Sugede is not a dance for normal people. That is a dance of the spirit. Nobody told you. You cannot be royalty when you were not born into the lineage. Hello? First of all, tie a strong man, subdue a strong man before entering his house. Udeze is a Django, and Django is meaner than mean, better than bad. So it is not possible. You're not blue blood. Francis, you don't even know your father, do you? Huh? Do you know your father? Okay, there. Awesome. Listen, what have I said now? That is wrong. Did I say anything wrong? Eh? Is his mother's madness affecting his brain? We can, Manuju, what is the problem? Why are you betraying me? Uju, I noticed a lot of bonding going on between both of you. Uju, this is betrayal of the highest order, if you do not know. If it were to be in those days, Uju, I would have ordered that you be beheaded. Believe me. As Udeze, I am a Django. Not the meaner than mean, the better than bad. You know that now. Listen. You know, we have an unfinished business. But I am waiting for all this whole thing, this barabarabu, or die now. When it settles like dust, you know, I own you, body, mind, and soul. Even my pounded yam, I will pound now. You know, right? So, what is it? On is my mouth smelling? It's not smelling. This is okay now, but it's also. Huh? Nyem keys, nyem location. Give me a kiss and tell me where we meet and how you want it. It's okay. If we say plata, also the will be. You are mine. Go. Hey, there's it. Ngakuangandi. Udeze tabakwa usana. Or you use a glass. What do you?
Yes, coming. Sit.
Godfather, I am worried about my mother. And I would like to know what your plans are.
Of course. I am working on something. Yes. But listen, you have to be a man in times like this. I knew when I asked your mother to bring you to succeed me, it was not going to be easy. But then, you must understand that nothing good comes easy. Because one day, someday, as the people's king, you may be required to show courage and control.
Thank you, sir.
Be strong.
Hey. Where are other workers?
They're on break. Many have gone in for lunch.
Alright, run outside and get me a packet of cigarette. Alright? Run.
Lady Doris, can you see yourself? Remove this thing so I will be seeing your face. Can you see yourself? I'm worried. Oh, you are worried. I'm worried. About what? I'm worried about my flight. My flight? Your flight. Yes. My flight. Yes. It has landed. Yes. You want to know where it has landed? Yes. Yes. I want to fly. Oh. Fly. Oh. Fly to London with my husband. You will fly. You want to fly? Yes. It's my flight. My flight. Your husband. Yes. My flight. Don't worry. I will take you to where you will fly. Just come. Come with me. Come with me. My flight. My flight. Take it easy. My flight, that's how you will enter your flight. My flight, yes. My flight. Wait. My flight. Your flight. Come drive. Come. So, I will fly. Come. But I want to go back to the city. Where is my aeroplane? Wait, I will marry my husband. You don't know who will be. Are you getting me to I'm going back to US. My aeroplane is coming to meet me. Oh, I will fly.
Mom? Mom? Mom! Mom!
Did you see my mom? Are you sure?
Very sure.
She didn't go out.
No.
You're sure?
I'm very sure.
Mom!
I think this is a good report. Thank you, sir.
We thank God, Your Highness.
Thank you.
Your Highness, may you live long.
No. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I greet you, Noble.
Doctor, it's good to meet you here. How's she doing?
Today is better than yesterday.
Fine. But for that mind, my mother is missing. She's gone, please. She's nowhere to be found. What?
How could that be? But her room is properly locked.
No, Godfather, the door is opened.
Who could have done that?
Highness, she should not be allowed to get to the market because it will be difficult to cure her. This is absurd. What?
Why is everybody standing? Dad, Mom, what's the problem? Anybody chasing you from the palace? When you are in the palace?
Doris is missing.
Doris is missing?
Yes.
Good days. Where are you coming from? Dad, I just stepped out. I went to buy my tobacco. What do you want one stick? I don't...
Stop talking! Else I'll get the DPO to get the truth out of you by torture.
Dad, I don't understand. I just stepped out to get something. You see me Doris, no? I'm Doris Nazo. Huh?
Your Highness, why are you accusing him? He's just coming in.
About you, Mom.
Adako, repeat what you just told me.
Okay, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, when I was coming out from the backyard, I saw Prince Udeze leading Auntie Doris into his car. And he drove up with her. And the gate was wide open.
Did you hear that? And you are here defending him.
Adako!
I ask for the last time, where did you take Doris? Okay. I'll get inside and get my offer to curse you.
No, Your Highness. He's our only son.
He's not my only son. Francis here is also my son, my blood. And for you, you cease to be my son. Oh no! This boy here ceases to be my son. And you, Lolo, you are...
Yes, Your Highness.
Your Highness.
Thank God you are improving so fast. All you need now is to have a very sound rest. But don't worry. I'll give you an injection that will make you to sleep very well.
Thank you. Thank you, doctor. Before you do that, please call me. Your number for me.
Right away, sir. Thank God you know we stay very much away.
Hello, is that you? Hello.
He is very stable now, and he is conscious. Doctor, why don't we take him to the hospital for proper medical analysis? I assure you, everything is going to be normal. All he needs now is to rest. Just that his blood pressure shot up, and thank God I was available to handle the situation.
So, doctor, what is the next thing?
I want him to rest, but he insisted on seeing the no first before that. So after that, I'll give him an injection that will make him to sleep. So can I go with the no right?
Okay.
Your Highness, for no reason. Where's the no?
Oh, he's taking a call.
Doctor. Your Highness. Your Highness. Your Highness.
Is he okay?
He's gone.
Are you okay?
Hi.
Your father just passed on and you are here drinking and dancing. And how many times have I warned you about this thing you're smoking?
My weed just finished. That's why I resorted to it. Listen, you should join me and party. We should marry. We should be happy. We should be in cloud 9 because on a very kumkum level, I swear down, me and you are supposed to be happy. You understand, Mama?
I can see you are mad.
I'm not mad.
You shut.
Eh?
Are you mad?
Mama, how? How will you be asking me if I'm mad? I am not mad. The death of the king of Iziama saved us. You don't know?
How?
Were you not there when our father pronounced my banishment? Huh? And he was about to pronounce yours when he collapsed. Were you not here when our father called Onowu Callistus and told him to make pronouncement of our banishment and then declare Francis the successor of Ronanya Ikome?
I was here.
Aha! You remember that when Dr. Sam came, that he asked everyone to go down.
Yes, yes.
And then I left the room and came back on a very Kumasi level. And then I heard things. I saw things. Well, I couldn't wait. I couldn't just fold my arms and watch anybody, not even my father, throw me out of the house that I lived as a baby and grew to this level. And then, let alone my inheritance. One day, I had to do what I did for both of us. Yes.
Udeze. So, you are the one that...
Ma, Udeze is in Django. And Django is meaner than mean and better than bad. When you got about to go one, you is now number 101 is street. I got the idea. Okay, but you want because we're going to want to have is more left. Just. If my father, the king, comes back a second time, I'll still kill him.
Udeze, what is troubling you? Okay.
Check and balance them, subtract them, minus them, plus them, reason them. If no be true, I won't talk now. Almost 2 weeks. Let me not exaggerate anything. It's been a week. Our father died. My father died. Eh? Things have been stagnant in this kingdom. Nothing is moving. Mom, I want to succeed my father.
Udeze, you will do that. But you know there is a process and some consultations to be done. And those things will come after the burial.
Mom, from what I know, it will take like 1 year. Eh? Who does that now? Who does that? Oh, we don't have all day. We don't have all the time. We don't even need these people. All I want is, let the council chiefs, led by Ono Callistus, pronounce me the Igwe in wait. Then we all go now. No, there's money in this. How much are some deals, lands, revenues? I believe go.
Udeze, you are right. Yes, I think you're right. But what I don't understand is what Ono is doing with the Council of Chiefs. And Francis, I am afraid because I think Ono has recognized him as the successor.
Ono? Who's Ono? Ono issue? Eh? I'll take care of Ono. A man of low pedigree. Where no get that does not know his left from his right. Ono Callistus the idea I'm after from Okukibe, I'm not a Sibo somewhere. Mom, I can handle him. He doesn't, I can handle him. I'll take care of Ono. Take care of Ono and Francis. You know?
It is possible that Francis will go in search of his mom. Remember what the native doctor told us. That on no occasion will I come face to face with the mom. Because the moment I do, the madness will be transferred from Doris to me. And that is why I told you to take Doris to the expressway where she will wander into oblivion. So,
Doris, there is what people call a pure. That is highest point. Where people will get and they will not come back again. That's where I took Doris. She can never return or do possible.
That's good.
And then Francis, I have taken steps, restricted his airflow. He choked. Now, Francis can never leave this compound until I am ready to eliminate him. We'll make a whole lot of money. Okay. Grab here.
Okay, what is going on here? What is going on?
No.
She was listening to us.
No, sorry, my prince. Her Majesty, I came to inform you that you have a lot of visitors in the palace that came to condole with you. This Lolo from Azumini and Igwe Mbano and a commissioner from the governor. The governor sent me.
It's okay.
I was about to knock when he now opened the door and now fell inside.
If I find out, maybe I know you now. If I find out that you are lying on bed, I'll approach you.
It's okay. Just go and tell them that I'll be with them very shortly.
Yes.
Come on, Jantete. Mama, when you are somewhere around, she was not auntie.
Don't worry. I'm going to see our visitors downstairs, okay? Just be calm.
Of course now, bro, we are we're not choosing here.
Just take it easy, okay?
Maji. Me Django, nada. Modero. Iwanya mo broad number. Nako. Very commercial. Yeah, I'm going to and then I'm going to get a time.
Adaku, where are you going to? Where are you going to with your bag?
I'm leaving, of course. Do you want me to stay and get killed or even raped? See, listen, Ever since I told the late king that I saw Prince Udeze living with Auntie Doris, I know that Lola is not happy with me. One day she might remember. And that's not even the case. I don't like the way the prince fondles with my breast. I might get unlucky and he will rape me to death. Ngozika and Precious are all gone because the king that protects us is dead. Are you not leaving? Huh? I will leave, but for now, I understand. You want to take care of Mr. Francis, right? No problem. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Adaku!
Daisy, I was about stepping out when the security guards told me that I am not allowed to leave this compound and you gave the orders. Daisy, why will you give such orders?
Yeah, I gave the orders because I want you to witness how I exert my powers on my subjects as the king of Isiama Kingdom. So that you know that your pursuit towards taking what rightfully belongs to me has failed.
Daisy, I don't want troubles. And I don't want your own trouble. All I want is to go out there and look for my mother so I can take good care of her. That's all I ask.
You don't know, you don't need to know that. I have sent boys. They will soon bring your mad mother back. And then it's okay, go in and sleep. Take care of yourself, my brother. In case you need Gucci, don't worry. I'll send the boys to arrange one for you. So you'll be fine. Okay?
Daisy, I need to go in search of my mother.
Abanku Udeze na ndị bie mgba. Udeze is a jungle. I am meaner than mean and better than bad. If you try this one more time, I will uproot you.
Look, Mr. Francis, I will help you find your mother. Yes, and when we find her, we are going to take her to the old house. We are not going to bring her back to this house because it's no longer safe for her. We are going to take her to the old house, as I said, and about the keys, I know where they kept it. You know, I normally go there to clean every now and then. But, Mr. Francis, for now, We have to think about how to take you out of this palace for your safety. And I'm already thinking of something, but you have to give me time to execute my plan. Okay?
What would I have done without you? Naija? What? Thank you very much. What would I have done? I don't know anyone. I don't know anywhere. It's good for you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Greetings,
Your Highness. Welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, I greet you. I greet you too.
Can we sit down?
Oh, yes, we can. We can sit. Yes. If I can sit, I can not nail my hand.
Don't worry, just get it.
And I will meet you. So what do I owe this?
Onowu Callistus, the death of Igwe Modebe is a very painful loss to all of us. And I understand how closely related both of you were. But what has happened, and we the living must move on. Because the people are looking up to us. Onowu, I suggest that you, as the Onowu, should announce my son as the incoming leader of Islamic kingdom, so that the position of authority and responsibility shall have somebody seated to handle it.
Well, Your Highness, I've heard you. But unfortunately, what you are asking for is not possible. First of all, the Council of Chiefs will approve and then take a decision on who the next successor to the throne should be. And from all I know, Udeze is not Igwe Modebe's first son. That is why I told you this.
What nonsense are you vomiting? Huh?
It's okay.
Mom, no, Mom. I told you that this man will be very difficult. I told you let me do it on my way. Let me do it my way. First, you have told me to go and get seat as a crown prince of Eziama kingdom.
Udeze, just calm down. Eh? Calm down.
Hey, I have to say when you are done, come to the car.
Calm down. You are. Show him some respect to Udeze.
Tell on me a lot of them. You have no them.
Onowu Callistus, we have to put our differences behind us and work together. I know you need money, and we can give you money. But all I want is for us to work together. I will offer you 10 million naira to make sure that my son, Udeze, sits on that throne. Apart from that, you will be on a monthly salary of 200,000 naira. How about that?
Your Highness, I've heard you well. Well, Your Highness, I've heard you very well. Thank you for the offer. But I'm not for sale. And if this is why you're here, I'm sorry, I have some other things to do.
No, oh no, Callistus. I can see you need more time to think about it. I will give you 3 days. Just 3 days to think about it. Have a nice day.
You'll be wasting your time.
Let's go. We're halfway, you never know how hard.
See then.
Hey, God. Who's ordinary gun? So, you've never seen a gun before?
I've seen a gun, no. But the thing is that I thought somebody sneaked inside and came to keep it there.
It belonged to the late Igwe. I used to oil it for him while he was still alive. Yes, nah.
Hi!
Would you... Ordinary gun. Hi!
Hi! This is also has scattered on my head. I'm not even seeing it. Let me go and buy fire.
Hey! Uju!
It's not working again.
Hey, who are you, Uju?
I'm telling you.
Something else. I'm
I was worried and wondering if you could make it.
You need not to worry, Mr. Francis. Kicking that security man was one of the easiest things to do.
I was thinking we should buy. As soon as I find out that we're missing, definitely ask people to come start looking for us. I think we should just stay inside for the meantime.
You're right, Mr. Francis. Let's just go inside. Don't worry about food that we can. I've already made arrangements for it.
Yes, no, David, don't worry about it. Let's go.
are you going?
Francis, is that you?
Yes, it is me.
I am going to the airport. I want to travel. And my aeroplane is waiting for me. I don't want to miss my flight.
You have not missed it. Go back to Ozan. You almost have to meet you. A 2-hour drive by car. Go back to Ozan. At my own house, you will see the table. Francis Library. Go back. Go.
What rubbish are you talking about? How can you be at the gate and 2 adults left this palace without your knowledge?
I saw Your Majesty. I did not see Mr. Francis leave. And since that time, she has not returned.
Fool. Fool. I want to ask you a question. Was there ever a time you went outside the gate or the backyard?
I swear, my prince. I did not go outside. I only came in when Uju called me to come and see your father's gun in his room. She was so afraid. Yes, she was so afraid.
Interesting. Uju called you to come and see my father's gun. Idiot. Animal. You see? That was when she tricked you so that Mr. Francis could walk out of the gate. And you're here telling me.
My prince, she did not trick me. Uju did not trick me.
If I hear one more word from you, I will castrate you immediately. Are you mad? Mobilize the youth. Go after them. I want them back here.
Do you know that all the workers in this palace are gone? More especially the girls. And this idiot, this animal is at the gate and all of them left without his knowledge.
Your Majesty.
Nikombu, get out.
It's okay. I can't just understand.
Nikombu, this bastard was here and...
It's okay, just
okay.
It's okay.
I need to smoke. Mom, get me smoke. Eh?
I should get you a smoke?
I need to smoke. Please. Aye. What's this? Nonsense!
Hey, just to Your Majesty.
Greetings. Please sit down.
Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
The death of the late Igwe is a terrible loss to everyone, all at some, even abroad. We will miss him. We will miss him. Because there will not be anyone like him again.
It's okay, Mazi Azubike. That was exactly why I called you. The Igwe is dead and gone. But we, the living, must continue.
It's okay. Of course.
Azazubike, you can see that it is 1 month now since the passing away of His Royal Highness.
Of course.
And the date of his burial is still unknown because the governor has not given us any date. So, we suggested that since the throne cannot be left vacant, that you, as the secretary to the elders in council and also a kingmaker, should convene other kingmakers and elders to announce Udeze as the interim Igwe immediately.
Your Majesty, that will be a bit difficult because we will need to convene a meeting. I mean the elders in council, the chiefs in council. We will need to convene a meeting, and it is in that meeting that we will choose the successor. Convening that meeting is the issue. It's a problem.
Mazazubike, there must be a way out. I know that in an emergency situation, the Onowu and the head of kingmakers can appoint a temporary person to take over the position of the Igwe in the interim.
That would be Article 6.
You're right.
But if I may ask, why the rush?
Nothing. Nothing. It's just that for the past 1 month, a lot of issues that needs tackling has been coming up and nobody in that position to handle it. And this community has lost a lot because of that. So Mazazubike, you have to do something. You really have to do something.
You're saying the truth. If I'm not Morocco here, maybe fair and then we'll okay. But having said that,
this is 2.5 million naira. It is for you. Take it.
Yes.
Another 2.5 million awaits you once the task is accomplished. Do you know why I'm giving you this money?
Oh.
Do you know who wants to announce another person as the heir apparent to the throne?
Never.
Therefore, you must act very fast.
In this kingdom, it is not done now. Why would you know who announce another person?
You can imagine.
Instead of my prince. Your Majesty, did you find a Ulogu? Eh? Oh! Odogu! Odogu! Odogu Nesiama! Always be Dogu. Did you find a check? You were to go. I'm your wife. Fancy again. One day. What do you
He will do it. You know, Maza's is very, he has a longer truth.
Yeah, so look at what money can do.
Yes.
He's counted and everything just
He's working for us.
Hey!
You know, Callistus, it is at home the buttocks will come to meet the stool. An elder does not sit at home and watch the goat deliver in tetas. Oh no. The death of the late Igwe does not mean that the world should stand still. We need to move on. Huh? We really need to move on.
Go straight to your point, Azubike.
Actually, what I'm saying is that we need to have a meeting and get an interim Igwe, even if it's on an interim basis. But we need to have a meeting so that we can have somebody to move the affairs of the community. But you know the rules. You know the rules. That is Article 6. Let's invoke Article 6 so that you and I will declare or announce an interim Igwe. We don't have to wait for the governor to come and bury the Igwe before we move the affairs of the community. We need to move on. We need to move on. Things are at a standstill. We need to move on.
Azubike, how much did Lolo and her son Udeze pay you for this, your act? How much? Let me inform you. They also came to me. Of course, they offered me huge money. But I rejected it.
Jehovah! Oh no, Callistus. You rejected money? Hey! With this so dilapidated house, your rickety jalopy, your pittance of pension, you rejected money? Oh no, can't you pity yourself? You know, is this your holier than thou attitude? This your, I'm too holy. That is what made you retire as a civil servant. A poor, wretched man. Oh no, you can't you pity yourself? Let me even remind you that were it not for your elder brother, you would not have been able to train your children in the university, including Azuka, your daughter. Can't you have mercy on yourself? Anyway, maybe I collected the money. Yes, because at the end of the day, it's still Udeze that will be crowned king.
And how sure are you about that? How sure? Let me inform you. Digwe has another son who will take over from him when the time comes. As a matter of fact, Azubike, Igwe told me not to allow Udeze to succeed him. Many people were there when Igwe warned me to ensure that Udeze doesn't succeed him. And I will abide by that. I won't change my mind. So you better return the money they gave you. And you know how brutal Udeze can be if you fail to deliver. Good day.
So what exactly is his reason? Eh? How? Did you not explain to him? Oh, Mazazubike, you should have put up an argument with him now. Okay, Meligi. Eh? Meligi now, he won't win you. Listen. You have to earn this money. If you do not, I will not be happy. I won't be happy with you. What's this? And then that way, I won't be happy. I'll get back to you. Oh, this Onoga, this flush. Stubbornness is getting on my nerves, so I don't like when I keep my eyes on the cord, chasing what I am chasing, and someone is being a stumbling block. What
did Mazazubike say?
Mazazubike said he refused. He refused. Even when he invoked Article 6, he still refused. He refused to see reasons with him. Who does that?
But Mazazubike should try harder. At least he should try and know how to convince other elders in council so that they will be on our side.
I need to run down. We don't even need those elders. We don't need them.
things my way. My own way. Maybe Django. So there's a Django. I am meaner than mean and better than bad.
So where are we going to start?
We have to go to the market first. Then from there to the town hall. Then we'll start eating.
Let's start going.
Azụ ka Ada, azụ, kedu ebe ị nọ? Azụka. Mercy. Azụka ebe unu nọ.
With the devil face to face, like a James Bond, I'm riding on a devil. This is the jungle. They are meaner than mean and better than bad. Time to hear from your father, your husband. You know, let us know how much he loves the family. If he does not comply with my request, I will kill both of you and spit and piss on your grave.
Hello?
Okay. This is Prince Udeze, King Bodi, the Crown Prince of Zama Kingdom. Hey, don't shout. Don't shout. I know you met your home, don't you? Where? Yeah. Sorry. Loneliness is not good for elderly men like you. Anyways, hold on. Hold on. Some people want to give you a message. You alright? I like on photo. Take. My friend, don't waste my time. I'm giving you my phone. Are you not happy?
Daddy. It's Azuka.
Azuka!
Daddy. Mommy and I were kidnapped today on our way. Daddy, the prince is very wicked.
Huh? This is what? Power. Listen, if you do not comply with me, I will kill your wife and your daughter. I killed my father to get what I want. Killing your people means nothing to me. You listen to me. If you do not comply, listen, I will kill both of you and spit and piss on your bodies. You were given 3 days and it has expired.
What? Hello? Hello? What did he say?
Comply with me. Don't play with me. Bye, idiot. can see you are very fearless. Irony. I am the god. That means the arrow is for to one shot.
You are soft.
Shut up!
I appreciate what you did for me today. Thank you very much. I appreciate everything you did today.
You're welcome, Mr. Francis.
Do you think I'll ever see my mom again?
I was on my way to the airport. He reminded me that I don't have my flight ticket. And he said I should come here. But you give it to me. Please, can I have it?
Of course, you have your ticket. But you need to go inside there. We'll take you inside. You'll get properly, eat and rest, then I'll take you straight to the airport. Yes. Okay? Let's go.
Okay. But we have to hurry. I don't want to miss my flight.
No, you won't miss your flight. Let's go.
Are you sure?
No, you will not miss it. Are you okay? You won't miss it. You see, I said, go. Come on. If you want.
Mom, you're awake already.
You're already awake.
But I have not eaten yet. And it's getting late.
Mom, don't worry, you'll get your flight ticket. But you need to eat first. Eh? Eat. And we'll take you to the airport. Let me go and find out if you do it well. So I can come and pick you. Okay? I'll take you to the airport.
I'm late.
Don't worry. Alright. Huh? I'll take you straight. Let me find out so I come and pick you.
Oh, you.
Yes, yes. I know. Mom, your food is ready.
Which airport? What are you talking about?
You need to eat before you go to the airport.
What are you talking about? Which airport? What are we doing here? Why are we here? Francis. Of course I'm alright. I'm okay. What is going on here?
Are you okay?
Francis, I'm fine. Do I
Uju!
Okay.
Uju! Come! Mom is fine now. Mom is fine.
Oh. Yo, Francis. Sir Francis. What? I don't understand. What are we doing here? Wait, hold on. Is this not your father's old house?
It's Godfather's house, yes.
Oh, I don't know. What is going on? What are we doing here? How did you get here? Uju, what is going on? Francis, what are you in this palace? What are you doing here?
My godfather's old house.
Yes, this is His Royal Highness Igwe Udeze Ngakwanganti, King Odiwodi of Iziama Kingdom.
Udeze, I'll do whatever you just want me to do in order to have my wife and daughter back without anything happening to them.
Good. Good. So I'm talking to you, I'm dressed in my full regalia. So, come to the palace for the declaration.
I must have my family back before I do anything. Understood?
That's not a problem. It's not a problem. Deal. Old fool. He has finally bought sense. I told you I have my game intact. Oh yeah, you know, Diana. We're all a skate and blouse. Mom, how do I look as the successor himself?
You look like the successor. Original one. Successor of Igwe Francis Mwadaben Kembo. So, can I forget you?
King Diwodi Ngankwanganti of Eziama Kingdom.
Hi, Chelopo. King
Diwodi Ngankwanganti.
The sun will shine, the rain will fall. We will do what we have to do. Mili dolo neju, dolo wankita. Kanke neno mananese.
Your Majesty, I greet you. I greet you, Your Majesty. My prince, my prince, the Igwe in wait. I greet you.
Mana any booze on eBay. Ofeke na ade abulo efi na. Mana ejele no ejele ani fe me one. Tak obe. So, what next? Maybe.
My prince. Come in, come.
Where am I going to sit?
You will sit here first. Okay. You will sit here. Prince.
Okay.
Over here. You will sit here.
Okay.
And when we have crowned you, you now move over to this side. Okay. Yes. Everything is in perfect order. Your Majesty. Yes. I'm here for you, you know.
It is well with you.
Yes.
Before anything happens here, I want to say two observations. What is going on here? Kedife na-eme ebe?
Well, for the declaration of President as apparent to this
crown, to the throne.
Oh, yeah.
And then because they are on renovations inside, because now there will be world press.
Exactly.
Okay.
So they will come.
Yes.
And then let us stay here and you do
And
the
leave it. My prince.
Huh? Any other thing?
Nke ọzọ bụ, achọrọ m ịfụ ndị be m. I want to see my family now.
It's okay. Razor. Bia.
Hey.
So we will do it.
Definitely.
Yes, today that will be good.
Of course.
One also.
Onye adị ekwe ekwetele ya.
Ekwetele ya nọ.
Ọkwọlibe aka ka a na-eme. Oh no. Obi a na-atọkwa ya ụtọ.
That brother no. We know his problem.
Na-achịcha ife eze bụ.
We know his problem.
Razor, bring them in. We don't have time.
Ada.
These are your. Hey, we don't interrupt us. Don't begin to. We don't want all those your emotional drama. Well, we have seen you. You have seen your children, your child, your daughter rather, and in fact, your family. You can go. Go. Oh no! Come back. Come back here. Come back. Crown Prince is talking. Sit down.
Oh no, it's Prince today that is talking.
Sit down. So, what next? What next?
We will proceed.
Maybe. Yes.
I now will have to declare, and I hereby declare that when the Igwe dies and joins his ancestors, another Igwe will replace him. Exactly. And that is why we are here. So I'm drawing from Article 6 of our community's constitution and tradition to declare that Udeze Francis Modebe Jr. is now the heir apparent to the throne of Eziama Kingdom. You know, do the needful. Oh no, we will do the needful. Then I'll do the declaration, which I'm going to do immediately. So, the throne of Eziama cannot be left vacant.
Exactly.
Because the Igwe is dead. Another Igwe must succeed.
Yes.
Exactly.
And because of that, that is why we are gathered here. You know who is here, and I am here. So we will invoke Article 6 to ensure that the heir apparent sits there, so that the development of this community will move forward.
Yes, that's the way it should be.
You know, do what you have.
So I can remove this one.
Yes, of course. I may keep it for you. So, oh no.
Hey. Yeah. Ngwa. Abagu no mbume yanyu na akpa na o. No, mebe. Yeah, so mbi na mbi siri nwunye mebe.
My friend, Alusin Elias.
His Royal Highness.
His Royal Highness.
No. There's fire coming from.
What is it?
Go and get the khaki. Go take it to the hospital. Razor, come back. Razor, go and get the khaki. Bring the motor.
What is going on? Azubike. Okole elu elu wala ogodo. Ikuku ebu yo bulu nya na ogodo before. What is going on?
I don't know. I want to make sure that he's taken to the hospital. Hey, please help me. Oh, Ichi Azubike, what are we going to do? My son. My son. My son. No. No! Doris, you are supposed to be mad. You are supposed to be roaming the streets. You don't belong here. You're not supposed to be here.
I'm here for the will of the people and Igwemodebe to be done. When you take from a child what belongs to him and raise your hand in the air away from him, when you get tired, you will bring your hand down and that child will take back what belongs to him.
No. No! You are mad. Yeah! I made you mad! Yes! I made you mad. Because Igwe wants to marry you and bring you to this palace. Yes! I made you mad. I made you mad. Yes! Udeze, my son, killed Igwe. I know! I know! Yes! 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 I made you mad. I made you mad so that Igwe will not achieve his aim of marrying you. Yes! Yes! Has gone mad. Yes! Udeze killed Igwe. Udeze killed his Royal Highness. Yes, I know. I am the Lolo. I am the Lolo. I will tell the whole community that you are mad. Yes, you are mad. You are. Hey, you are mad. No, you are mad. No, she's mad. She's mad. She's mad. I don't. You are mad. Hey. Yes, she's mad. I made her mad. Ndiala.
Give me my balance now.
Madness. You wear shoe. Hey, put your leg. You are mad. You are mad. Onyala. You are mad. Onyala. Hey. No. Wear shoe. Wow, wear shoe. Onyala. Hey, Onyala. Oh, Onyala. Hey, I made you mad. I made you.
Azubike. If you know to Onafia, another go. My balance. So back here.
Mr. Francis, your food is ready. Sorry for disturbing.
It's okay, I'm not hungry.
Okay. Excuse me.
Okay.
So,
sit down.
Go.
When will you stop calling me Mr. Francis?
sir,
Again. Sir. Uju, I am not a secondary school teacher. Also, I am not a knight in the church. Okay? So if you keep calling me Mr. Francis, then I'll start calling you Mrs. Francis.
No.
Oh, no.
No, please.
Josie, Ojo, you have been wonderful to me. I wonder what I would have done without you. That aside, I love your person. And I want your wealth of experience to run this palace. To know the people in this palace. So, if not you, if I don't make you my wife, who else will I make my wife? I beg you. Marry.
Oh, hold on. I hope I'm not interrupting anything. A young lady, where are you running off to?
My auntie, I still have something I'm doing in the kitchen. Sit. Come on. Come on, please, sit.
Uju, you see, from now onwards, no more auntie, you can call me mommy. Yeah. Or don't you want to be my daughter-in-law? Hold on. I've always known that my son likes you a lot. And I know you like him too. You have been of great help to us. And you are a decent girl. And I like you so much. So, Francis, what do you think?
I love her.
That's fine now. Then, I don't think I have anything more to do here. I have to go and finish what I left in the room. I'll talk to you later.
So, Mrs. Francis or better Lolo, will you marry me?
It's just like a dream to me. From being a palace maiden to becoming a palace queen. I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything, just say yes. Just say yes.
I see all that I need with you. My life's got a meaning. I won't let this moment pass me by. I will do anything just to be with you. I wanna spend my life with you. When I see you, everything becomes beautiful.
Che, Igbo mama. Yeah. Igbo mama. Yeah. Ezema mama. Yeah. No zone. Yeah. The throne of Eziama cannot remain vacant. As the late Igwe departs to the realms of the spirits to join his ancestors, another replaces him. As we all know, it is at home that the buttocks come to meet the stew. The scrotum must sit before the buttocks. Because of that, we are invoking Article 6 to confer and declare the heir apparent to the throne of Eziama land. Onowu Callistus, I call on you to do the needful.
Agumba. Daalụ rinna. Odogwu ka ebu. Aya. Ezi ama ekene m unu. Ezi ama m unu. Zụ unu. Ọkwanụ ka omenala anyị si debie.
Otu a ka ọ dị.
Ife nna nna anyị mere, ya ka anyị na-eme. Wow. Ife nna nna anyị mere, ọ ka anyị na-eme. Ma nwoke.
Umeka nne ya.
Ọkwa ejeje mba. Ya nke eje achụ ajọ mmadụ na ajọ mmụọ. Abụ mma ụlọọrụ anyị gbajide m nke a. Agwasị ọkwa. Omeka nne ya nke gwa.
Everything becomes beautiful, for this love will share.